Boys, we gotta keep walking. We're trying to hit us. Where's this fucking backkeeper? Stop. He just said he wants to be your wife. Stop. Have a good one. 6'8" black guy. Send him. Send the niggas. Stop.
Pissed off these fucking cars.
Can you do it? No.
Signs.
I don't want to go.
Tommy's off the break.
Keep your STDs to yourself. Keep your STDs to yourself, Buddha. Keep your STDs to yourself.
Savage, bro.
See, that's my mace. Follow my Instagram. Maddie the Baddie 420. Go follow it.
Maddie the Baddie!
Maddie the Baddie 420. Go follow it. My hoes need to keep me inside. I'm twerking and doing that. Fuck on your nail. It's gone, bro. Working a backflip, bitch. Throw it at him. Yeah. I don't know what. He's fucking yelling in my face, acting like I'm doing shit. No, but he's yelling in my face, acting like I'm doing shit. Exactly. Too ugly to be honest. Keep your STDs to yourself, Buddha. Keep your STDs. Bitch, I didn't get smacked the fuck up. Did I? No, I did.
Yo, don't fucking touch him.
Wait, I gotta show you now. Hold this, I gotta show you. No, he's the stay here. Suck your mom, head. Suck your mom's head. Suck your mom, fuck your mom, fuck your mom's head.
Suck me, yo, bitch!
Talking about all my girl, the reason for me. I got a sweet song. inside. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't need.
Who do I see? Smell like pussy, come back.
Someone who knows how to rock without being followed. Gotta be compatible.
I've been throwing baby, I've been sick up on the plate. I've been sipping to college eagles, I've been drinking with the Eagles. Maybe it's
Can you all do that?
I've been hanging out with Persians named Jake. I've been flowing like the biggest in the universe. You might be told season's Halloween, I gotta find a costume, right? I don't really know. Periodic table. I used the shirt periodic, thinking on the same. Met a new girl, she got on my dick, now I'm hanging.
Walking this way.
This is TVC, I don't really feel it. I don't feel it. I just know. I don't feel it. Hannah's got the phone. I don't know with Nick and everything we do. It's a phone name, Nicholas, my dude. How do you spell it? H and O H. H. That's really H. Anna lost her H and you.
That's never happened. Let me just
Fucking Russia.
call
So what are you talking about?
a 6'8" black man.
H and you took that thing and we're like, I'm gonna put it right in the middle here. Right in the middle. Treasure. Whatever you want to do, is just have to shine every night.
I'm tired. Can you do this? You can have this, you fucking voodoo ass bitch! I hate you.
من سری بریم اگه بود.